I'm going to show you how to put dishes in the dishwasher. Pull the rack out. Take the vessels and put them.
Where are you going to keep containers?
The plates should be over here.
Okay. What is on top, you arrange it first. Make it easy, Gyana.
You can keep glasses, bowls here,
Upside down.
upside down.
Then? You have to tell them. Then arrange. Quickly. Good girl. Arrange whatever you can. The rest you leave. What is that?
Here we keep these.
Okay. Jiva, you come this side. Let her arrange. Don't disturb her.
I also want to do it.
Again, just show few items. You can't keep arranging for the whole thing. Just show
These are
few
the
items.
spoons.
Where do you keep spoons?
We keep the spoons over here.
Oh, okay. Good. That's good. Show where you need to keep the containers.
These are the bowls. We keep these
Upside down. Yeah.
upside down.
Keep one more. Just show one or two samples. Enough. They will understand.
Mummy, ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ.
Later. I will give you a chance later.
Okay.
First, Akka, let her do.
It's also the same.
You can keep spoons also here. We should tell them, no? Here.
This is
What is
nothing,
this for?
just to dry.
See, you have a lot of space here. What is it for? For keeping spoons.
For keeping spoons.
Extra spoons if you have.
Extra spoons.
Then, see, don't move the fan.
This
Keep
is
the-
a fan to dry the vessels.
Spray. It will just not fan, sorry.
No.
Jiva, don't disturb her. Let her do. She wants to do something. You should help her out. Yeah. Push the rack back. Will not show the entire thing, Anna. It is going to take a while. Push the rack. First rack, push it back. Now you push this. Then what is it that we need to do next?
Here we should put some things which will come.
Not things. What things? Be specific.
Not
What
so
you
many.
want to put.
Not things really.
No, here. Here what
Here
you
we
need.
have to put the detergent.
Take. Put
This
that.
is the detergent.
Whatever in your language, what you want to say. Go ahead. Fill it. Fill that. Jiva, let Akka do that. Haku kanda. Jana. Take one full spoon. Full load, you have to put one full scoop. Tell all that you have to say. Very good.
Full or full
Enough. Now, for now, it's okay. What you need to do next?
If you find these type of boxes, you can buy them. You can also get them by online.
Oh, Gyani, great. Marketing. Now, you will keep it as it is or you will close that case. Don't break it. Just press. That's it. Now, how do you close the machine?
Just
Huh.
take the lid.
Huh.
The door. Put it.
Next what? What are we going to do next? You have to show a sample for them.
This is
We have to switch on here.
we have to switch on the plug.
Then switch on the tap.
Switch on the,
Tap.
then it starts.
This is on. Then you have to switch power on the machine, no? Come this side. You do it yourself. I won't do. Which is the button? You know better than me. Switch on the button. Good. Now which option? No, Gana. You didn't press properly. Yes. Now go to menu. Which menu do we usually use? Every day what Mama uses? Go and choose. It's going to daily or quick 30. Go to quick 30. I think better we focus it. Ele? Go to quick 30. Quick 30, it will show 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Then where is the start button? Press the start button. What happens?
This is a start button.
Yeah, it is started. Okay, and it will finish by 30 minutes.